Hi there, it's John here again. Today's mission is to put moustiquates up. If you're not familiar with this is your anti-mosquito, anti-wasp, anti-bug in the summer screens. Quite easy to fit, just a couple of screws, cut them to size, fit them in. You get plastic ones and you can get aluminium ones. This is the aluminium variety. They tend to last a bit longer. The plastic ones, if they're exposed to the heat, tend to buckle and they're just not right. So I've got 3 windows to do. This is the first one done. We'll come down, clip in. It just gives you that. Lets the air come in and just keeps the bugs out for the best part. But it's France and you're going to get bugs whether you open the door or you're never going to stop them all. But it just saves them just having a free entry out and in the window. We've got quite big windows and we like to open them and let air in. So unless you've got a moustiquate up, everything's going to come in, wasps, God knows what. So that's my mission for today. We've got 1 done, we've got 2 to do before lunch. Thank you.